Why is 4 yak with Hopi? High five, everyone! Hopi is back and ready for a brand new adventure. Today, she is looking for the letter Y. In a meadow of soft green grass, she meets a new friend. Y is for yak. Meet Yuri. The yak Yuri is very fuzzy, very friendly, and has big, curvy horns. Yippee, Hopi shouts. Let's go find some Ys. Y is for yellow. As Hopi and Yuri walk, the sun shines bright and warm. They find a giant field filled with glowing yellow sunflowers. Hopi puts on her favorite yellow hat. Everything looks so sunny and cheerful. Yellow is the happiest color, Hopi says, spinning around in the petals. Y is for yo-yo. Yuri finds a shiny toy tucked under a leaf. It is a bright purple yo-yo. Hopi takes the string and lets it drop. Whir, the yo-yo spins fast and climbs back up. Yuri watches the toy go up and down, up and down. His big eyes grow wide with wonder as the yo-yo dances. Y is for yarn. Oh no, Yuri found something else to play with. It is a giant, bouncy ball of yellow yarn. Yuri tries to nudge it with his nose, but the yarn starts to unroll. Soon, Yuri is covered in soft, loopy strings. He looks like a big, fuzzy present. Hopi giggles and helps him wiggle out. Y is for yacht. Hopi and Yuri reach the sparkling blue docks. Resting on the water is a magnificent, fast yacht. It is painted white and gold, and it looks ready to zoom across the waves. Hopi points to the big boat. That is the perfect way to travel, she tells Yuri. All aboard. Hopi and Yuri hop onto the deck. The engine goes vroom, and they start to glide over the sea. The wind blows through Yuri's long fur and Hopi's hair. They feel the salty spray on their faces. It is a very fast and very exciting ride on the Big Y boat. Y is for yogurt. All that traveling makes a girl hungry. Hopi finds a cooler on the yacht filled with yummy snacks. She picks out a cup of creamy strawberry yogurt. It is sweet, cold, and delicious, Hopi says, taking a big spoonful. Yogurt is the best treat for a sunny day. Y is for yawn. The sun begins to set, turning the sky into a soft peach color. The gentle rocking of the yacht makes Yuri feel very sleepy. He opens his mouth wide and lets out a giant, noisy yawn. Yawn, even a big. Fuzzy yak needs a rest after such a long day of searching. Hopi feels it too. She stretches her arms high above her head. Her eyes feel heavy and her feet feel tired. She lets out a tiny yawn of her own. You're right, Yuri, she whispers. It's time to head home and find one last Y they cuddle together as the boat reaches the shore. Y is for yes. Hopi is tucked into her warm, cozy bed. She thinks about the yellow flowers, the spinning yo-yo, and her new friend Yuri. Did we have a great day? She asks herself, yes. She pulls her blanket up to her chin and falls fast asleep, dreaming of more adventures. Y is for yak with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.